Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. 9 Home Remedies to get rid of bed bugs naturally. Bed bugs are parasites that belong to the Cimicid family. They are small, oval, brownish insects that feed exclusively on blood. While there are quite a few parasites of the Cimicid family that feeds on animal blood, the Cymex lexularius, the common bedbug, is the famous one as it prefers feeding on human blood. You can try out some natural insecticides to get rid of the bedbugs and their eggs. In this regard, plant essential oils have gained importance as a significant natural source of pesticides. Most essential oils affect the inner cell membranes of insects, causing cytotoxic effects. It is this property that proves beneficial when tackling any kind of bug or insect infestation. And while the essential oils are toxic to the bugs, they are safe for humans. Here we look at some essential oil-based natural insecticides as well as some other less harmful repellents to help get rid of bed bugs. 1. Tea tree oil spray. Studies show that tea tree oil is an effective insecticidal. The essential oil of tea tree effectively disrupts the permeability barrier of cell membrane structures, thus resulting in the loss of chemiosmotic control and fatality. It is this membrane-damaging property of tea tree oil that makes it an effective natural insecticide in fighting bed bugs. You can use the homemade spray in hard-to-reach places, like cracks, crevices, and furniture joints. To use: to make a natural insecticide with tea tree oil, mix 2 teaspoons of tea tree oil with 50 milliliters of water. Pour it into a spray bottle and shake well. Spray liberal amounts of the natural insecticide in all areas where you think bed bugs are living. Use this application daily until all the signs of bed bugs have disappeared. Remember to shake well before each application. 2. Lavender oil. Like tea tree oil, lavender essential oil can also be used as an effective natural insecticide to kill bed bugs. Lavender oil is also believed to destroy bed bug eggs as well. It is also said that it is the smell of lavender that kills the bugs. However, the oil probably acts as a cytotoxin and thus kills the bed bugs. To use: to make a spray, mix 10 to 15 drops of lavender oil with 50 milliliters water. Shake well, pour into a spray bottle and use in areas where the infestation is seen. You can also use lavender soap or powder as a spray. Another method is to place fresh lavender leaves or flowers in and around the infested areas to get rid of the bed bugs. A combination of lavender oil and peppermint oil was also found to be highly beneficial in exterminating bed bugs. To use: add 10 to 15 drops of lavender essential oil and 10 to 15 drops of peppermint oil into a spray bottle. Fill it with water. Then shake well and spray in affected areas. 3. Citronella Spray. Citronella, or lemongrass as it is more commonly known, is another essential oil that can repel and kill bed bugs as well as its eggs. Citronella oil is believed to increase the acidic condition within the bugs, thus effectively eliminating it. Like lavender, the smell of citronella is also believed to help get rid of bed bugs. To use: add 10 drops of citronella oil to a small bowl of water. Pour it into a spray bottle, shake thoroughly, and spray in affected areas to get best results. 4. Eucalyptus Oil Spray. The evergreen, mighty trees of the eucalyptus can be seen in most places across the world. The essential oil found in its foliage is widely used in food, pharmaceuticals, perfumes, etc. It is also used extensively as an insect repellent. Eucalyptus is believed to exhibit ovicidal activity, as well as insect repellency against bacteria, fungi, insects, weeds, nematodes, and mites. To use: to make the spray, take 2 ounces of water, 1.5 ounces of witch hazel or vodka and 30 drops of eucalyptus essential oil. Pour all this into a spray bottle and shake well to mix it. Then spray the solution on the affected areas. Repeat the spraying every 2 hours or so. 5. Essential oils of orange. Orange oil contains D-limonene, which is classified as an insecticide. This is a nerve toxin which kills the bugs and insects within minutes of contact. To use: make a spray solution by mixing 1 cup of compost tea, 1 ounce of blackstrap molasses and 2 ounces of orange essential oil in 4 liters of water. Mix all of this together well and spray in the affected areas. 6. Neem oil. For generations, neem oil has been used for various medicinal and insecticidal properties. The tree, the leaf, the seeds are all used for medicinal purposes with beneficial results. Studies show that neem oil, especially cold-pressed neem oil, has high toxicity and anti-fedency and can repel a number of pests. It was also shown to have high larval growth inhibition properties. To use: to make a spray solution, add 1 ounce of concentrated neem essential oil to 4 ounces of water. Add ½ teaspoon of soap in order to emulsify the solution. Mix it well. Then spray and wipe down beds, sheets, walls, crevices and all other potential bedbug hiding places. Do this 3 times a day for the first 3 days. Then shift to treating your home every alternate day for a total of 18 days. 7. Bean leaves. Did you just think folklore when you read the word kidney beans? Well, push that thought aside. Studies have shown that the leaves have microscopic hairs called trichomes on its surface that entangle the bugs onto it, literally stopping them in their tracks. Unlike a Velcro effect, the trichomes actually get hooked onto bugs' legs, trapping them. To use: scatter kidney bean leaves all over the house, especially in infested areas. You can also place the leaves under mattresses. You can either wait for a couple of days before getting rid of these leaves or opt to use fresh leaves every day for a few days. Since the bugs are stuck on the leaves, getting rid of the leaves will ensure the bugs never return. 8. Thyme. Thyme oil or thymol concentrate are effective bedbug repellents. They are also shown to be effective deterrents for egg laying by mites. To use: you can tie a thyme stick with a cotton cloth and burn it near the infested area, or in the infested room. Alternatively, place thyme leaves in net bags and place them in and around the infested areas. Remember to replace these bags with fresh leaves every 3rd day. Continue the process for up to a month to ensure all bedbugs have been killed. 9. Clove. Like most other essential oils, clove oil too possesses insecticidal and insect repellent properties. It is believed that the acidic pH of cloves, as well as its pungent smell, disturbs the survival of the bugs, thus destroying them. To use: mix 1 teaspoon clove essential oil with 1 cup water. Pour into a spray bottle, shake well, and spray in affected areas. Also, remember that most essential oils should be effective in getting rid of bed bugs. This is because, as mentioned, the oils function as cytotoxins, destroying the membranes of the bugs. So, go ahead, get started on ridding your home and hearth of those pesky bloodsuckers.